Welcome to the second lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2, focusing on the partial knitted skirt. To make a partial knitted skirt, we usually start with the default template. First, uncheck its sweep, then go back to the knit spec, add relevant nodes, create the shape of the partial knitted skirt. Set the related dimensions, and then copy it to the relevant positions. Here, you need to check half panel. You can select Allow one revolution. Choose Hold Course here. For partial knitting, you need to do an extra one revolution. This revolution is important to make sure the repeats of hold stitches and releases matches. Then, adjust the steps accordingly. After holding the stitches, you can first knit one revolution normally. Select Knit Together, then holding course again. Pay special attention here. Only selecting this option will yield the correct result. Then check Repeat ID and set up the repetition. Repeat ID starts from 1, so set this partial knitting segment as ID 1. Then calculate the number of repeats needed based on the waist and hem measurements. You can first knit one revolution, then perform releases, and repeat the previous steps. Set the knitting rules accordingly. This section also belongs to Repeat ID 1. The default number of repeats is the same as previously set. The above segments do not participate in the repeat. You can see the text with all the knitting rule repeats. Finally, we can export to SmartGraph for review. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.